to my Economics Chit Chat channel today. We are going to speak about a very interesting sector called as the power sector. The power sector revival in Indian economy has been quite a debatable topic that we have been speaking about. After the post-COVID-19 scenario, if you see that one of the sector that has been attracting a huge amount of investment has been the power sector. We have an investment attraction worth of about 1.8 trillion that is going to come into the power sector. So the concept of power sector itself is very, very interesting. Why? Because India is a country that has always been on demand for power and the various sources of power. Now, if you look at the growing demand of electricity in the various houses of India, it has always been found that we are short by about 30 to 40%. So the coming years, there would be definitely a rise in the power sector with the employment factors, and also we would be seeing a tremendous growth in the renewable energy sector also. So by 21 to 23, the next 2 years, what we are going to see is that a lot of foreign companies coming into India, investing money into the power sector and trying to grow with that sector altogether. So this is going to be a very, very interesting sector. This is also going to start pushing up employment to a very great extent. Now, with India opening up its door and giving up the private investments to come into the power sector, the government-owned companies or government-substituted companies like the Power Grid Corporation of India, they are going to see a lot of interesting bidders who are going to come up and raise up the demand function for India. Power is one of the identified core sectors of the economy which has been given importance in the last few years, because we are trying to increase our capacity and we are trying to become a country which is 100% power independent, which means to say that the total country, India, should become completely self-reliant when it comes to the power sector. We do not want to have any more electricity cuts or power cuts saying that we are not being able to come up altogether. So this is a scenario, this is a very good unlocking position post COVID-19, where we are going to see the power sector going to come up in a different way, in a different dimension altogether. Similarly, with the power sector, what we need to start understanding is that the demand for coal, the demand for the allied sectors have also started going up in terms of those heavy equipments, the capital goods, the necessary items that are needed for the manufacturing has also started going up. But this power sector would be a direct factor which would try to start putting in the the demand drive for the manufacturing also. There have been many places in India where manufacturing has got severely affected because of the lack of power. Now, this is one of the areas, or this is one of the fractions which I would say, or the time that we have got in terms of reviving the power sector. So the Atmanirbhar plan will also try to concentrate on the power sector and try to make it even more sustainable, even more growth oriented, so that we are able to go forward, we are able to make it a stronger and a self-reliant country altogether. So I would like to tell to all my viewers here, even if you are going to pick up or invest in the market, please do invest in the shares of the power sector companies like NTPC, like Power Grid Corporation, because these are going to be, or even rural electrification companies, because there is going to be a lot of push that is going to come in the future years. So even from an investment standpoint, now power sector looks very, very attractive, and there would be a lot of good valuations that are going to happen in the coming years to see. With that, I would like to conclude today's session. I hope and believe that this session was interesting and informative. Please do share your comments, your ideas through my channel, and please do subscribe also. Let us meet again tomorrow. Until then, thank you and goodbye from my side.